Hey there! So, picture this. You're working on an Excel spreadsheet and you encounter a problem that needs a solution. The problem at hand involves populating columns FH with corresponding numbers, hashtag symbol, from the rows that have values in columns BD. Now, let's dive into the solution for this Excel conundrum. One way to tackle this is by using a specific formula. The formula in question involves the use of IFERROR, aggregate, row, and some logical functions. This formula helps to dynamically populate the cells in columns FH based on the values in columns BD. It's like magic, but it's actually just Excel at its finest. Moving on to the next part of the solution, another handy approach is to employ the filter function. By using this function, you can easily copy down the formula to populate the cells in columns FH without the need to drag the formula manually. Excel doing the heavy lifting for you? Yes, please. And for our final piece of Excel wizardry, we have the use of reduce function. This function works its magic by returning the entire array of numbers based on the criteria set for columns BD. It's like having a supercharged Excel formula that does all the work for you, leaving you more time for a coffee break or a quick cat video on YouTube. In summary, we've explored different ways to solve the problem of populating columns FH based on values in columns BD in Excel. From the IFERROR formula to the filter function and the reduce function, Excel offers a variety of tools to streamline your data management tasks. Now, go ahead, give these solutions a try, and make your Excel experience smoother than ever before. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy Excel, ING.